Hello everyone, today I will show you the CRUD operation in PHP MySQL database. In CRUD operation, we will show you four basic operations. They are insert information, facing information, update information and delete information. So we will show you the four things in one video. So here you can see a form. First of all, we have to fill up the form and we have to submit it. Then the information will be inserted into database. Then we will face the inserted information from database to this web page. Here you can see the information we have faced from database, and here we can see edit delete. From here we can edit information, and from here we can delete this record. Now I will show you. So first of all, I will fill up the form. Then I will click on add chapter. Here you can see chapter added successfully. Class 10 mathematics chapter 4. So let's check out the database. Here you can see class 10 mathematics and chapter 4. That means we have inserted the form information into the MySQL Workbench database, and we have faced the information into our website from the database. So we have done it at the same time. Now if you want, we can easily edit the information. Here I have written class 10 mathematics chapter 4. Now I want to edit the information, so I will click on edit. So here you can see another form to edit the information. Here you can see class 10 chapter. Suppose I'm writing down the chapter 5. So I will click on edit information. Here you can see updated information. Let's go to that add chapter page. Here you can see class 10 mathematics and chapter 5. So we have updated the information. So if you want to delete the whole record of class 10 mathematics and chapter 5, then click on delete, then click on OK. If I reload the page, here we can see our record has been deleted. So in this way we can easily insert information into database, and we can face database information into our website. We can edit information, we can delete information, and this is very simple. For the designing purpose, we have used HTML and CSS, and for the developing or backend purposes, we have used PHP, and database we have used MySQL Workbench. Now I will show you the whole source code to do this. Here you can see it is add chapter.php, and now I will scroll down and I will give you the whole source code on my video description box, from where you can download the code and you can use it. And this is very simple, though our code is much big, but it is very simple. If you have any query, you can comment me. So this is the add chapter.php. So when we click on edit, it is taking us to the edit chapter.php. In this case, we have taken another page, and it is edit chapter.php. So it is edit chapter.php. So it is the beginning of it. Now I will scroll down. You can pause the video, you can write down the code, and if you have any query, you can comment me. I will try to explain you. And if you want that every line of code explanation, you can also comment me. I will make another video to explain you every line of code in front of you, that will help you to understand. And I will give you the whole source code and database file in my video description box, from where you can download and use it.